Hello, everyone. I'm Jared Hall. It's Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Welcome to a week ahead. Last week closed out the month of May, where the markets continued to stage their comeback. The S&P 500 ended the month of May, gaining 6.2%, pushing the benchmark index slightly into positive territory for the year. Summarizing the year-to-date action of the S&P, the market began the year with sharp declines due to geopolitical tensions over tariffs, pulling back almost 20% by April 8th. This action was followed by strong big tech earnings and easing trade tensions, helping create a snapback rally. Other events that have moved the market have been weak Treasury bond auctions, signaling increased risk and holding U.S. denominated debt, the government spending bill, and fiscal policy outlook, along with AI headlines both positively and negatively impacting the markets depending on the day. It has been a volatile year. First quarter earnings season is now behind us, and the economy has held up even in the midst of rising tailwinds. Companies reported a blended earnings growth rate of 13.4%, according to FactSet, for the first quarter, even while citing tariff uncertainty in their comments. Inflation continues on its cooling trend in 2025, but still is not quite in line with the Fed's stated 2% target. The headline CPI ended last year at 2.9% before rising slightly in January and then drifting lower this spring to a low of 2.3% for the month of April. Personal consumption numbers followed a similar pattern, and at first glance of April's data, it shows that tariffs are not having quite the elevated impact that was initially believed, although it is still early. Looking ahead to this week, all eyes will be on the May employment report and unemployment rate due Friday. Outside of employment, the spending reconciliation bill is in the Senate and is anticipated to undergo significant revisions before a vote will happen later in June or July. The market reaction to government spending will be a signal of the level of confidence the bill receives. It will help or hinder the snowballing debt burden that the U.S. is accumulating. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.